guys, we're on the road again. Delivered a car to Prattville yesterday and ran back home, got another one to take it, and hopefully we're going to pick up something new on the way home. We'll show y'all when we get there. Truck I'm delivering this morning is an 88 S-10 I picked up a few months back. It's somebody's unfinished project. It's got a narrow 12 bolt under it, 31/16.5 Mickey Thompson. Neat little truck. This original paint looks like, all factory interior. It's even got all the original owner's manuals and stuff in the glove box. Anyway, it's got a 350, turbo 350 in it. It's been back half. Decent little truck. I stuck it together. It's got a bunch of new parts on it: exhaust, shifter, gauges, all kinds of stuff. And got it where it'll run and drive and make somebody a good little cruiser, or they can take it to the next level. Anyway, I'm going to deliver it and pick up this other car here, and look forward to getting it and seeing what we got. Every time I come up I-65, I stop at the truck stop in Atmore. They usually have pretty good food there. Diner's real good too. If y'all ever out this way, give it a try. It's one of the best I've tried, and I've tried a good many of them. side of the family's from up this way. I hadn't been down this road in I bet 14, 15 years. It's absolutely crazy. It's like nothing has changed. Same old same, all the way down the side of the road. Alright guys, here it is. '55 Chevy. It's got a 350 and a turbo 350 in it. Torque thrust D wheels. Interior's not that bad in it. Seats are pretty good. Factory dash. It's got like a custom auto sound radio in it. Somebody's put some diamond plate patches on the edge of the floorboards, but it came with new pans. Door shut pretty good. Got a 9-inch disc brake rear end under it. It's got a massive fuel cell in the back. Do a little rearranging on that. This side not quite as pretty as the other one. I think it'll end up making a nice car.